A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Vertical flagstaff of height h. Okay, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, small h. At a point on the plane, at a point on the plane, at a point on the plane, at a point on the plane.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Question. Look at here. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Vertical flagstaff of height h. Clear or not? Question okay? A vertical, once again, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height small h. Okay, first line. Second line. At a point on a plane, at a point on a plane, at a point on a at a point on the plane, at a point on the plane, at a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff, at a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff and top, at a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Alpha and beta respectively. Alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the flagstaff, prove that the height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Tan beta minus tan alpha. Look at here. A vertical
Can you repeat the last part? Sorry, sir.
Listen, at a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom, at a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Clear or not? Is it okay now? Question clear or not? Okay, look at here. I'll explain the question. Look here, AB this is the ground. AB the tower. Okay. AB is the tower. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff. How the flag is keeping? Hello, how the flag keeping on a flag hoisting? How? Just keep the flag there. What will do? Come on, flag hoisting. What will do in the building? Just keep the flag there. Start with the a stand. Okay, a stand. Let's suppose a stand here like this. Okay, that stand is okay. This is the height h. This is the flag. Okay, this is the flag. Okay, not our flag. Our flag cannot use Indian flag. Public can use only 2 days. Which are the days? Hello, Indian flag we can hoist only 2 days only. Which are the days?
Sir, Independence Day and
Yeah,
Republic Day.
Independence Day and Republic Day. Okay, rest of the days public cannot use it. It's our rule like this. Okay, American flag not like that. They can make underwear, pillow cover, trouser, and all. There is no issue for them. If we make our flag, you will be in trouble. Okay, so this is the question. Look at here. AB is the tower. BC is the flagstaff of height h. Okay, now a point. This point O, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is alpha. Okay. Then here, this one beta. This angle is beta. Okay. So what do you find out? We have to find out the height of the tower. We assume that the height is h. This height is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay. Look at here. Suppose you are on the ground. Okay. Listen. Imagine you are standing on the ground. Okay. Your opposite building. First, you look at the 5th floor. Okay. That angle is some angle. Then, same point, look at the 10th floor, like that. 5th floor and 10th floor, like this. Is it okay or not? Plan understood or not? Sham, clear or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are in which floor?
First floor.
First floor. Okay, first floor, near the window. Open the window. See the opposite house. Second floor. Then 4th floor, like that. This is the situation. Okay. Once again, here. Don't write. This is a start question. I'll give the note. AB is the tower. Okay, and one flag host, a flag stuff here, a stick like this. Here is the flag. One guy from here, first bottom of the flag stuff is alpha. Then top of the flag stuff is beta. Then we have to find out the height. Okay. First draw the figure. Draw figure. Then I'll give the note. Okay. I'll give the note. Don't write anything. Okay. So just draw the figure and mark it. Okay, just draw. Okay, finish. Okay, then write. Let AB be the tower. You have a short description. Let AB be the tower. AB be the tower, and BC be the flagstaff. BC be the flagstaff. Okay. Let O be a point. Let O be a point on the plane containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower such that the angle of elevation of the bottom, the angle of elevation of the bottom B and top C of the flagstaff at O are alpha and beta respectively. At alpha and beta respectively. Are alpha and beta respectively. Then let AB equal to H, AB equal to H, and BC equal to H, small h. AB equal to H and BC equal to small h. Okay, once again, I'll read. Let O be a point on the plane containing the foot of the tower such that the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff alpha and beta respectively. Alpha and beta respectively. This is not like no need to write exact word. You can from the figure you can write. Okay. Then let AB equal to capital H, BC equal to small h. Okay. Now look at
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat just once more?
which one?
So the statement, sir, that you have
given. Let O. I just giving the note. You can write yourself. Let O.
Okay.
Let O be a point. Let O be a point on the plane. Let O be a point on the plane containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower such that the angle of elevation of the bottom, the angle of elevation of the bottom, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top and the top of the flagstaff at O are alpha and beta. Let AB equal to capital H, BC equal to small h. That's only. Now clear or not? Okay or not? Shiva?
Yes, sir.
Now look at here. Tan alpha, that means charter triangle, A tan alpha capital H by OA, number 1. Then tan beta equal to H plus H by OA, number 2. Okay, our answer, there is no OA. How to remove OA? Flagstaff, STU, yes. That means STAF. That means a pole. Afia, a pole like this. In school, flag hosting, no. Like that, a pole is using, no, that one. Okay. Okay, tan alpha H by OA, tan beta equal to H plus H by OA. Okay, we have to remove, we don't want OA in our answer. How to remove it easily?
We should divide.
Just divide it. Okay, tan alpha, look, tan alpha divided by tan beta equal to H divided by capital H. Okay, now we can cross multiply H tan alpha plus small h tan alpha equal to H tan beta. So H tan alpha equal to H times tan beta minus tan alpha. Finish. Therefore, capital H equal to H tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, copy fast. Okay. So complete fast. Okay, finish. Finish or not? Esther, finish? Okay. So, okay, I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Why Tejas not attending? Tejas. Hello, Tejas. Why not attending your extra class? There was Saturday extra class. Why did you attend it? I arranged especially for you only. No, then why did you attend it? Hello. Morning, Saturday morning. What time Saturday morning? Then why did you tell me that? There was morning 6 o'clock Kuwait time or India time? Okay, what time should they finish? Why didn't tell me that? Why didn't tell me that? Because when I fixed, you didn't tell me that. Otherwise, I can change it. You didn't inform me, no. Okay, next question, right? It's okay, you missed the class because one more class, I'll finish that chapter, your exam chapter. Right, from a point P. Next question. Hello, listen out, same type, another question. From a point P, on the ground, from a point P on the ground, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top, the angle of elevation from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building, the angle of elevation of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degrees. Once again, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building, is 30 degrees. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degrees. First line clear or not? First line, okay, finish. Okay. Second line, a flag is hoisted A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff. And the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff. The angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Second line, okay or not? Okay. Find the length of the flagstaff. Find the length of the flagstaff. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building. Find the length of the flagstaff. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building. And the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building. And the distance of the building from the point P. From the point P. Okay. Okay, I send you the question now, group. Check the group. I send you the question. You got the question, Afia? Carol asked me the question. Question already there. You got the question? Okay. Question in the group. Okay, copy nicely and work out it. Exactly previous question. Okay, same question. You make a figure and find out. Okay. Okay. The question is with you now. So make a figure and draw, then work out it. Okay. I'll give root 3 value. Akshaya, root 3 value is root 1.732. Root 3 value is 1.732. Root 3 value is 1.732. Try now. Okay, 17 point. Flagstaff is 7.32. Distance is 17.32, right? Okay. Yeah, both are both Akshaya. Both answers there is. Distance of building is 17.32 and Flagstaff is 7.32. Okay. Adil, are you getting or not? Ahmed, Advait, Afia, Andrew Jacob, and Sita, Anugrah, Abarna, Divansh, Harsha, Mahadi. If anyone have doubt, tell me first. Neil, Rigved, Smart.
So just a minute, sir. I'm still doing it.
So here, what is the question? A tower, look, this is the point P. P here, A here, B here. This is 10 meters. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree. Flagstaff here. Okay, that is 45 degree. Okay, this is the question. Now, tan 30 equal to 10 by PA. 1 by root 3 equal to 10 by PA. So PA equal to 10 root 3. You can multiply that. Tan 45 equal to 10 plus H divided by PA. Tan 45 1 equal to 10 plus H by 10 root 3. That is 10 root 3 equal to 10 plus H. H equal to 10 root 3 minus 10. That is 17.32 minus 10. 7.32. Sham, you got or not? Hello, Sam. Hello.
Now I got you correctly. This one.
Ritika, Sanjay. Sabha, finish? Adav. Okay, Sabha, finish or not? Okay, then complete it. I'll wait. Finish. Okay. No, value is given. No. If the value is not given, you cannot write. But value is given, you have to write it. Okay. That's not a question. Okay, now look at here. Next question. Okay. Next. The angle of elevation of a the angle of elevation the angle of elevation the angle of elevation the angle of elevation of a jet plane the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. First line, okay or not? Okay. After a flight of 30 seconds, after a flight of 30 seconds, After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. This line okay or not?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
If the flight, next question. Sorry, next line. If the plane is flying at a height of, if the plane is flying at a height of 3,600 root 3 meter, 3,600 root 3 meter, 3,600 root 3 meter, 3,600 root 3 meter. Okay. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Okay, clear now? Yes, start question. Okay, look at here once again. Shreya, after a flight of 30 seconds, comma, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 3,600 root 3 meter, 3,600 root 3 meter, find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet
Sir,
plane.
can you repeat the last line, sir? If the plane is flying.
If the jet plane is flying, at a constant height of 3,600 root 3 meter, 3,600 root 3 meter, 3,600 root 3 meter. Okay. Find the speed of the plane. Find the speed of the plane. Okay. Look at here now. You got the question or not? Everyone got the question? Ahmed, question clear or not? Okay. Now, my question, what is the average speed of a flight? Approximately, average speed how much? Come on, any idea? Average speed of a flight, how much? Hello, you have no idea at all. 700. Okay, next. Only one guy only have idea. Average speed of an aircraft, how much? 900. Okay, Jonathan. Okay, next guy. Any other? Just guess. Ahmed. 800. Okay, 800. Okay. Why it is called aircraft? 1,000. Okay, Shiva, 1,000. Why it is called aircraft, not called rocket? No. Why it is called aircraft? Any idea? Yeah, it is flying at the sky level. Yes, it is our atmosphere. It's a stratosphere. Okay, so that's why it's not going beyond that. Okay, so now look at here. So listen, it's a star question. Listen here. I'll give a note this question. Okay, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. Okay, we'll make board 2. Here, originally, this is the ground. Originally, the flight P here. Okay, originally the flight at P. This is the point. B is the, okay. That point, the angle of elevation at is how much? First point is 60 degree. Okay. This is here 3,600 root 3 meter. Look, hello. Originally, the flight at P. One guy looking at the flight at an angle of elevation 60 degree. That is A. Okay. After 30 seconds, angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. That means flight is going to this here or here. Which direction? This point or this point? Which point? The angle of elevation become, okay. The any other? No. Which point? Right? No. Which point? This dot or this dot? Yes. Why? Angle of elevation changes now. Marsuk. Angle of elevation is decreased. That means far. Marsuk, understood or not? If it is here, it will be more like this. Correct? If it is angle more, only this. Okay, that means it is going to here. It reach here. Q. Okay. That time, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay. Here also height is same. Q, B, C. Okay. This is the figure. This is also 3,600 root. This is the figure. Figure okay or not? Hello. Figure clear or not? Then only can start. Everyone check. Everyone look at the question and figure. Okay, figure okay, clear or not? Once again, originally the flight at P. That time angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, listen, Adho, listen. Originally the flight at P. That time the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Then after 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. The first point P, angle of elevation 60 degree. Second point Q, angle of elevation 30 degree. Then the flight is flying at a constant distance. That is 3,600 root 3 meter. Then we have to find out the speed of the aircraft. Clear now? Okay. Okay, my plan, look at here. The plan, listen here. How to find the speed? Speed equal to what? Speed equal to what? Distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. Okay. We are going to find out, listen here. We are going to find the distance covered by the flight in 30 seconds. That is PQ. Correct or no? The distance covered by the flight in 30 seconds is PQ. That means PC. PQ equal to BC. Correct? Don't think flight is going through a road. Okay. The distance covered by the flight in 30 seconds is PQ. That is BC. That distance divided by the time, we got speed. Okay. Now, look at here. Tan 60. Tan 60 is in triangle ABP. 3,600 root 3 divided by AB. Root 3 equal to 3,600 root 3 by AB. Root 3 cancel. AB equal to 3,600. Then tan 30 equal to 3,600 root 3 divided by AC. So 1 by root 3 equal to 3,600 root 3 by AC. AC equal to 10,800. We multiply. Okay. Okay. Therefore, BC equal to 10,800 minus 3,600 equal to 7,200. Therefore, speed equal to 7,200 divided by 30. We get 240 meter per second. Okay. Meter per usually the speed is in kilometer per hour. It's a big quantity. So how to convert? 240 divided by meter to kilometer, 1,000 per second. That's going up. 60 into 60. Cancel. That much of kilometer per hour. You write in kilometer per hour. Okay. I think 18 by 5, right? Conversion is what? 18 by 5. No need to by heart that. Meter to kilometer by 1,000 per second. Second is down. Convert to hours into 60 to 60. Okay. Can you write? Is it okay? This is a star question. I'll get BC part. What BC part? Okay, you got BC. You got other. You got BC or not? You got AB or not? You got AC. How to find BC? AC minus AB. BC equal to AC minus AB. That is 7,200. Therefore, distance we got 7,200. Time is 30. So 7,200 by 30. That is 240 meter per second. 240 meter per second convert to kilometer per hour. Okay. Can you write? Can you try and okay. I'll give the note. Right. Draw figure first. Everyone draw figure, then I'll give the note. Okay, right. Let P and Q be the two positions of the plane. P and Q. Let P and Q be the two positions of the plane. Let P and Q be the two positions of the plane, and let A be the point of observation. A be the point of observation. A be the point of observation. Okay. Then start like this. Tan 60, follow the board. Okay, find out. Okay, finish. Hello. Okay. So I'm sending a next question in a group. Copy and try. Okay. Next question I send you. Okay. Copy the question. Yes, 864 kilometer per hour. Speed is 864 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now try same type another question. Instead of flight, it is a bird. Okay, next question I already check our group. You can see the question. Okay. Hello, are you getting now? Okay, finish.
Just a minute, sir. I'm not complete.
Okay. 292. Hey. Akshaya, it's a bird, not a car or okay. Come on. It's a bird. Check your answer. Maybe some decimal problem there is. Okay. Check it. Some decimal problem only, I think. Root 3 value is applied, no? 1.732. Root 3 is 1.732. Yes, 29.28 meter per second. 29.28 meter per second. I'll wait. Everyone should get this one. 29.
Sir, I got this 29.28.
Okay. So everyone should get this one because like previous question flight, here is what bird. That's all the difference. Finish. Okay. So, okay. I'm not going to explain this question because exactly previous question. Okay, finish. Okay, so next question, right? From a window, from a window, 6 meter height, from a window, 6 meter height, from a window, 6 meter height above the ground. From a window, 6 meter height above the ground. From a window, 6 meter height above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression, of the top and foot of another house, of the top and foot of another house, sorry, angle of the top and foot of another, angle of elevation of the top of the tower. No, wait. Once again, from a window, 60 meter height. Wait, I'll read again. From a window, 60 meter height above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression, correct. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house, on the opposite side of the street, on the opposite side of the street are 60 degree and 45 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. Show that height of the opposite houses, the height of the opposite houses 60 into 1 plus root 3. 60 times 1 plus root 3 meter. Okay, finish. Okay, question again. Look.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Okay. From a window, 60 meter height. From a window, 60 meter height. From a window, 60 meter height above the ground of a house in a street. From a window, 60 meter height above the ground of a house in a street. the angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house. Of the top and foot of another house on the opposite side. On the opposite side of the street are 60 degree and 45 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. Show that the height of the opposite house is h into house is 60 into 1 plus root 3 meter. 60 into 1 plus root 3 meter. Now clear now? Clear now? Question. Once again, from a window 60 meter above the ground. From a window 60 meter above the ground, the angle of elevation and depression of a house in the opposite street are 60 degree and 45 degree. The opposite house from a window 60 meter height above the ground, the angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house. Of the top and foot of another house are 60 degree and 45 degree. Show that the height of the opposite house. Height of the opposite house is 60 into 1 plus root 3 meters. Okay. You try. If not getting, I'll show you. First try that. Okay. Okay. You draw first. Come on. If I draw the figure, anyone can do it. Draw the question. Sorry, draw the figure. You read it and draw it. Okay. Come on, Shiva. Hello, Shiva. Hello. Okay, wait. You are sitting in which floor?
Third floor, sir.
Third floor. Okay. You are sitting third floor. Third floor is around 60 meter height. Okay. Your opposite any building is there?
Yes, sir. There is.
Okay. First of all, you look at the top of the opposite building. Okay. Top of the opposite building. That angle of is 60 degree. Clear now?
Yes.
Hello. You are sitting
Yes,
60
sir.
meters. You are sitting 60 meters above the ground. Then look at the opposite house. Angle of elevation 60 degree. Okay. Then you look at the opposite building ground. That angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay. Now we can make a figure now. Idea understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, complete fast. Okay, look at here. Here, first AB 60 meter. Okay, this is the opposite house. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. Then looking down, that is 45 degree. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is the figure. For all got figure like this. Adav, you got the figure? Okay. See here, it's like just like you're sitting near the window, 60 meter above. Then opposite house, top is 60 degree, ground is 45 degree. Okay. Tan 45. Tan 45 equal to DC divided by BD. So 1 equal to DC divided by BD. So DC equal to BD. So that is, this is 60, this also 60, simple. Then now tan 60 equal to DE divided by 60. Tan 60 root 3. Root 3 into 60 equal to DE. So this distance is 60 root 3. So total height is what? 60 into 1 plus root 3. Okay. DPS, which chapter going on now?
So we are doing circles, sir, currently.
Okay. So after finish, I start circle. I think this week school closing, right? No? No, your class closing this week, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about Soha Indian International? Ahmed, Soha, your class still going on? Oh, only close. Okay. So GIS, which chapter now? Polynomials. Okay. Okay, next question now. Okay. This is finished now. Okay, so next one. This chapter, many questions. I only 2 class only. This is the second class, I think, right? Many question is this chapter. Many means maybe 30, 45 question. Okay, right. Anyway, we have time. We'll do circle also. Okay. Right. A boy. Next question. Yeah, textbook only one exercise only. Yes, this textbooks very text is not enough for this chapter. I think 13 questions. I think 15 or 16 questions, right? 16. Okay, right. A boy observed that. A boy observed that. A boy. Because this each question taking time too much, reading, explanation, and all. A boy observed that the angle of elevation of a bird, the angle of elevation of a bird a boy observed that all question I don't have in the I have to take picture. Okay, that's the problem. Okay. Let me see that possibility. Okay. 1 minute. But when I read the question, then only will get some connection, the question. Anyway, I'll send you this question, okay? I'm sending this question, okay? Okay, I send you. Read the copy the question. Copy the question and draw figure and work out it. Okay, Advait, got the question now? Okay, try this question now. I don't know. Angle is given now. A boy observed that angle of elevation of a bird flying at a distance of 100 meters is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. Not vertical, 30 degree angle. 30 degree angle. Akshaya. Bird sitting 30 degree angle. Okay. Horizontal is how 30 degree angle? No. How come 30 degree angle, not horizontal? No, that's zero angle. Okay. Look at here. The figure. Hey, come on. Listen here. A boy observed the angle of elevation of a bird flying at a distance of 100 meters. Flying at a distance. Look, this is the ground. Bird here. This angle is, this is 100 meters away. This one is 30 degree. Now clear. From the from his point to the bird is 100 meters. Okay, A, B here. Okay. After that, what happened? You got it now? At the same time, a girl find the angle of elevation of the same bird from a building 20 meter height. She is standing 20 meter height. Okay, she's viewed the same bird at an angle of elevation is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Okay. Then what do you find out? Find the distance to the bird from the girl. That means A, B, C, D. You have to find out. BD you have to find out. This is a question. The boy on the ground. He saw the bird at an angle of elevation is 30 degree. And the distance between the bird and him, his point is 100 meter. A girl on the opposite side, okay, 20 meter above, she's standing and she saw the same bird at an angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay, try now.
Sir,
Hello,
isn't
okay.
it supposed to be A, B, C, D, sir?
A, B, C, D. Okay, what's the problem?
Okay, sir.
AB is the 100 meter, CD 20 meter. This angle 30 degree, this angle 45 degree. Now we have to find out BD, we have to find out. Okay, try now. Okay, okay. Hello. Are you getting or not? Okay, okay, I'll wait. Try now, still time. Akshaya, you got? Esther. Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Look at here now. Hello. Draw a perpendicular here. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now, sine 30. First of all, I'm going to find this one. Sine 30 equal to BC divided by 100. Sine 30 1 by 2. BC divided by 100. BC equal to 50. This distance is 50. But here 20. So this is 30. Okay. Now connecting these two. Again, our requirement is BD. Sine 45 equal to 30 divided by BD. 1 by root 2 equal to 30 divided by BD. Therefore, BD equal to 30 root 2. Jonathan, you got? Hello, Jonathan. Okay. Jonathan, finish or not? Okay, Akshaya, correct. So, rest all copy the copy. If not getting, ask this one. It's a good question. Okay. Okay, finish it fast. Okay, so next question. Are you okay all? Hello. Is it okay? Okay. So next one. Esther, you finish or not? Okay, next question. From the top of a 7-meter height building, from the top of a 7-meter high building, from the top of a 7-meter height building, from the top of a 7-meter high building, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top, is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. The angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Question again. From the top of a 7-meter high building of here. Listen. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Angular depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Now clear? Clear or not? Afia, clear or not? Angular depression is 45 degree. Angular depression is 45 degree. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 and angle depression is 45 degree. Then find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. From the this is the ground. AB is the ground. Here building 7 meter C. Then here is the tower D. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. Angle of depression is 45 degree. This is the figure. Okay. Elevation 60, depression is 45 degree. Suppose like a window, like that window question. From the window, opposite house. Okay, clear now? Is it okay? Okay, and finish it fast. Okay, look, this is 7. This is also 7. Tan 60 equal to A, B, C, D, E. D divided by 7. Root 3 equal to DE by 7. DE equal to 7. 7 root 3. This is 7 root 3. That means 7 plus 7 root 3. Correct or no? 7 plus 7 root 3. Like same type question we did. 60 plus 60 root 3. Same question. Okay, this is enough today. So next class, who asked this one? Akshaya. Tan 45 no. Akshaya, tan 45 means what? 1. Tan 45 is 1. Why you ask such a question? If it is 45 degree, this one and this one same only, no. Okay.